6:36 this morning, and one of the first groups that provided assistance in Perry on that tragic day could see some major changes this legislative session. Our own Teodora Mitov joins us live in studio now with the impact that these changes may have. Good morning, Teodora.
Good morning, Justin. There are 9 area education agencies in Iowa whose roles can be redesigned with new legislation. State lawmakers met yesterday discussing House Study Bill 542, which is the legislation that would give the Department of Education oversight over AEAs. These are the 9 AEAs in Iowa. Heartland Education is the AEA covering Des Moines and the surrounding areas. The legislation would also allow schools to choose between different agencies or get resources from the private sector.
Major changes that we're talking about, so we're going to have to go through there very, very carefully. This is certainly one example of something that I'm going to listen very closely to my school superintendents, my local school officials, and I'm going to speak to my local AEAs. I'm going to get just as much information as I can.
There are a lot of wonderful AEA employees out there doing marvelous. Who do you think was at Perry first? AEAs.
AEA counselors were among the mental health professionals available for community members at the Perry Public Library in the days following the shooting at Perry High School. Their response teams are still present in Perry. The proposed legislation would restore special education funding to go to schools, but eliminates media support, crisis response, and mental health support services and funding. A spokesperson for Heartland Education said that AEAs respond to many different crises and provide resources throughout the state.
In rural Iowa, it's hard to find mental health providers, and districts have been able to collaborate with the AEA to bring more providers into the area. I know in Southeast Iowa, they have an additional 9 social workers that work across Great Prairie AEA that can work one-on-one with students, that can work in small groups with students, and that support would be gone. So it would have a direct impact. And if you think about some of our really rural areas of the state, where they aren't a lot of providers, then that means families or students are traveling great distance for support. And so just that, in person, easier to access support would be gone.
Yellick said that if the bill is signed into law, when the legislation is enacted, all the services that AEAs currently provide will go away. If that happens soon, then that may also include their teams in Perry.
All right, a big issue there. A lot to be talked about by legislators and education associations and school districts. Thank you. We'll be following that. Teodora Mitov reporting live from in studio. Thank you.